To customize your real ear measurement experience in the Measure software, select the Tools menu followed by Test Definitions located in the toolbar at the top of your screen. Within the Test Definitions window, select REM followed by the test you wish to edit. Select Edit to open the editor window. Within the General tab of your editor window, the name, description, and shortcut used to access the REM test can be changed. Under Stimulus, you will find options to change your signal type, transducer, presentation level, and default ear size. Under Advanced Settings, time constant settings can be changed. This selection affects whether irregular peaks of a speech signal will be reflected or smoothed away on the fast Fourier transformation curve. For more information on these settings, refer to your Measure user manual. Default display options, such as dual or single view mode, can be adjusted under View Settings. View type can also be changed from SPL response to dynamic range, gain, and more. In the FFT drop-down menu, you can select Curve, Pin, or Bar FFT view. Within this selection, you can adjust the number of pins per octave from 3 to 24. Other settings include dB step size and UCL limiter. Curve style and color can be changed in the Curve Style tab. Click OK in the editor window to save your settings. You can then close the Test Definition window and restart your Measure software to apply changes.